By the end of this video, you're going to learn about what is Google Workspace and how our business is using Google to digitally transform the way they work to be more productive and also to reduce cost. Now, who is this video for? This video is for business owners who are planning to move to the cloud. This video is also for students who want to learn more about Google Workspace so that they can apply their knowledge while they go for interviews. If you're new to this channel or if you're watching me for the very first time, then make sure you subscribe, hit on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any videos that we upload. Now, Google Workspace is a suite of applications on the Google Cloud, which means you can access those applications irrespective of your location with top-notch security. Some of the applications are Share Drive, which is a replacement of your file server. You have Gmail for sending and receiving emails. You have Hangout Chat for communicating, and then you have Google Meet for video conferencing, and so on and so forth. To give you a quick history about Google Workspace, in August 2006, it was known as Google Apps for your domain, and by September 2016, it got rebranded to G Suite, which is a suite of solutions for productivity. And then after COVID, by October 2020, it got again rebranded to Google Workspace, which is the ultimate solution for collaboration, for creation, and also for controlling for all the users and businesses across. Now, to better explain the different applications in Google Workspace, I'll take you guys to my screen. Now, the applications are divided into three main areas: connect, create, and control. By connect, you can connect with your employees or co-workers across organizations. You basically can send and receive emails, calendars for sending and receiving invitations, Google Chat for chatting with your colleagues, Google Meet for video conferencing, contacts for saving contacts, and currents for internal purpose. By create, you can create documents, presentations, Google Sheets. The content that I created for this video was using Google Docs. You have forms for collecting data, and so on and so forth. In the control section, whatever documents you have created, whatever files that you have made would be available in the drive section. Cloud Search consists of a google.com search engine. It is used for searching across your Google Workspace platform. It is a central place where you can go, you can search for your emails, documents, etc. in one central location. You have your admin. This person basically controls the access of users, sending and receiving of documents, etc. You have Google Vault. This application is basically used by admins. Consider if a user deletes any email, then the admin can go to Google Vault and retrieve that email. It is basically backup and archiving. Now, why should businesses move to Google Workspace? If you're a business owner watching this video, you do know that you need a file server to store your documents and share those documents with your employees in a central location. And you also know that this file server requires investment. The storage needs to be upgraded on when the users increase. You need to maintain this file server, and you're also worried about the security, which is not the case in Google Workspace, since Google takes care of the file servers for you, and these file servers are known as shared drives. These shared drives comes with a flexible storage, which means you need not worry about storages. And the important point here is backup and archiving. Your local file server, you need to back up on a daily basis so that your data is not lost, which is again additional investment on a backup solution. Whereas in Google Workspace, you have an inbuilt backup mechanism which backs up all the documents and files that you have. If any user deletes a document or any email, you can retrieve it within seconds going to Google Vault. That is the power of Google Workspace, and then your data is also safe and secure on Google. If you're looking to purchase Google Workspace, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section, and we will help you to make the right decision. If you have learned something from this video, do drop a like, share this video with one of your friend, and while you're waiting for the next week's video, make sure you watch these two videos out. And on the same note, I will be signing off, and I'll meet you guys in the next week. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love, God bless you all.